recording?
I'm recording.
Did you push it with the thumb?
I did.
Okay.
Here we are.
What lake are we on? Come on, really? You don't know? Lake they're on New Jersey.
Say hi.
Hi! Finally got the boat in the water after 3 years. We're down rigging, hoping to get some fishies. How deep am I running?
Huh?
How deep am I running?
I don't know.
Well, look at the counter. Show people the counter.
40.
So that's a 10-pound ball, lead, with a little fin off the back. You hook the downrigger cable to the top of the ball, and then off the back you got a clip you put on that pinches your line, you put your line in there. I run a boat probably to the end of the prop wash with the lure line out, and then hook it to the rigger and send it straight down. My fish finder ain't working too good. I gotta figure that out. For some strange reason. Hopefully we'll get some action shortly.
Okay, say goodbye.
Alright, we'll see you when we get fishy, I hope.